Hey guys, happy new year to you all. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to store your veggies. Watch till the end. Let's go. So I'm going to start by washing and peeling my carrots and then set it aside. So I'm just going to repeat the same process with my green beans. I'll also add in my salt and then set aside. So for my green pea and my kidney beans, I actually used the dried one. So I soaked it overnight. Yes. So I'm gonna be slicing all the veggies. I'm going to slice the carrot in smaller pieces and also in star shape. If you have vegetable chopper, that's beautiful because it will make the whole work easier for you. So if you have vegetable chopper, please use your vegetable chopper. So these are all the veggies we'll be using. We have green beans, we have green pea, we have sweet corn, we have carrots, we have star carrot, we have kidney beans, we have bell peppers. Okay, so here is our cold water. We're using a very cold water. I brought this out from my freezer. Yeah, we'll be using this. And here we have a boiled water. Yes, we'll be using this. Now I'm adding in sugar into the boiled water. This process is very important. The sugar will help to retain the color of all the veggies. Now I'll be putting in these veggies into the hot water. Yes, I'll be putting it into the hot water. Then straight to the cold water to stop the cooking process. I'm going to do this to all the veggies. I'm going to do the same process to all the veggies. Please watch carefully. This process is very important. I'm going to dip in the veggies into the hot water and then transfer it to the cold water to stop the cooking process. This took me actually for just 1 minute. I'll just dip in the veggies in the hot water for 1 minute. Now for the sweet corn, I'm going to allow the sweet corn to cook for a while for just 2 minutes because I'm using a raw sweet corn. Yeah, so I'm just going to allow it to cook for a while and then bring it out and do the same. Right here the water is almost warm, so I had to bring out one pure water from my freezer. The pure water is actually blocked, so I had to bring it out and use it. So this is what we have, and this is what our veggies is looking like. So beautiful and colorful. You don't need much. All you need to do is just to bring it out from your freezer straight into your food, into your indomie, your fried rice, direct. Now I'm using this sieve because of the extra water. I don't want the water to go in with the veggies when I packet the veggies, so I just had to use the sieve. Yeah, you get to see the water under it. Just keep watching, then you see the reason I had to use it. Here, see the water. Okay, so I have to take off the water. Now I'll be transferring this to my Ziploc bag. Yeah, I'll be transferring this to, and this part is also very, very important. Watch carefully. Watch carefully. So after putting this into my Ziploc bag, I'm gonna make sure I take off the hair. Do not allow hair to be in the Ziploc bag. Make sure you get rid of the hair. It is very, very important. Make sure you get rid. You see the way I'm doing it? I'm trying to make sure I get rid of the hair. So please make sure you get rid of the hair. Do not allow any form of hair to remain in that in the Ziploc bag. Make sure you take off the hair. So this is our bell pepper. So I'm just going to slice this, packet it in our Ziploc bag. I'm not going to do that process with this. Yeah, I'm just going to slice and put into our Ziploc bag. For our green pea and the kidney beans, I actually placed them in different Ziploc bags. Yes, and I did that off the camera, but you're going to see everything. So I'm repeating the same process here. Make sure you get rid of the hair. You see the way I'm doing it? Do not allow hair to be inside the Ziploc bag. Yeah, so this is what we have. These are all our veggies. So you're gonna store them in the freezer. I hope you find this video helpful. Please do not forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.